Friends, you have probably been looking for a long time for a place where you can achieve a large and stable income while having a small capital. If that is the case, then you have got to the right video. I am Rahul and I have been trading binary options for the 6 years. Now I am a master in the businesses and many of my subscribers are already earning with me. So every day I receive feedback from my students and subscribers who earn $500, 1000 and $5,000. They are all satisfied and strive to devise more time to trading in order to prove my words. A review of my subscribers.
Hello guys, I'm Bruce from Uganda. I could like to recommend Mr. Rahul. Have been working with him in trading for almost 1 month. All the strategies are 100% sure. So could recommend him, and I could like to call upon all the traders and all those interested in trading to trust Mr. Rahul.
Thank you, Ranul. You single helped me. Thank you. You are a great person. I recommended all to work Ranul. Thank you.
Hello guys, this is me Ijaz. I am trading with Rahul and I am recommending you guys to trade with Rahul, and I am earning very good commission on trading.
Hi bro, good afternoon. Thank you for your support. Yesterday I earned a good profit. I recommend everyone who is the beginners for the trading, join with Rahul. He is a good knowledge person to give you a good signal at the right time. You earn a good profit with him. Thanks.
Hello, I'm Werba from Botswana. I really want to commend Rahul for trading. I've been working or trading with Rahul just for a week, but it's been really amazing. The setups and everything is 100%. I would really recommend you guys. If you're a trader or you're interested in trading, please join Rahul. You will never regret. Join him for the best trades. I commend him. Thanks, Rahul.
I offer my subscribers various types of trading assistance and they are all popular. My marathon, which takes place every week from Friday to Sunday, exclusively, it is there that I share signals for successfully trading with my subscribers and explain how to analyze the chart and achieve a stable income. This marathon helped many of my subscribers to learn the basics of the trading and how to achieve a stable income in it. It in my subscribers who receives fresh and profitable trading informations the fastest. In my private channel, I publish 2 proven and very profitable signals per week for the trading. Also, my personal mentoring is in good demand among my subscribers because it is in it, and it that I supervise my students at all the stages. From learning trading to getting a stable income in the trading, many of students have already reached $5,000 a month just starting out. I have developed my own trading bot that issue verified and guaranteed profit signals personally. You can trade both from your phone and from your computer. Everything is for your convenience. All you need to just follow my instructions and start earning with me. Everything is very simple. Each of you will cop. So friends, I invite all of you to join my team of the traders where you can learn how to trade and earn large sums today. Don't waste your time and take your life in hand by starting to earn passive income from the trading. Rahul was with you and see you soon.